State experts have again stressed the need for government and humanitarian workers to synergize in conflict-affected areas. They aired their views at a one-day conference aimed at improving local technologies and practices for sustainability of humanitarian shelter assistance in the Northeast. Jesse Tafida reports.
The humanitarian crisis in northeast Nigeria has remained one of the most complex in the country. About 12 years of a violent insurgency has resulted in massive humanitarian needs for about 10 million people. But government and humanitarian agencies have been working around the clock to build the resilience of survivors with food, cash assistance, shelter and resettlements.
13% of Nigerians are without shelter. Okay, and when it comes to Borno State, we have about 24% of people in Borno State who are without shelter. Half of them are IDPs. So this is a major challenge, and through our interventions with support from our donors like the EU, USAID, GAC, we've been able to have quite a bit of impact. For instance, we built about 650 shelters. We also focus on collaboration. So we want to collaborate effectively with the government to align ourselves with the Borno strategy.
This conference is to chart a way forward in addressing the diverse and acute threat to human security in northeast Nigeria.
The humanitarian need is very huge. It's something that, one organization cannot actually, handle the needs, overall. But if different actors come together to put in, their effort, I'm sure that with the way things are going, we should begin to see some kind of improvement around the humanitarian needs.
It just speaks to our impact in terms of the shelter sector in Nigeria and in Borno State and the Northeast in particular. And it's really a clarion call to all stakeholders, including the private sector, multilaterals, to really support when it comes to shelter.
Stakeholders are of the view that if various humanitarian actors work in synergy, there would be marginal improvement on the humanitarian crisis.
With about 10 million people in need of life-saving assistance in Borno State, this intervention is geared towards cushioning the effects of the 12-year Boko Haram insurgency amongst the displaced, returnees and host communities. Jesse Tafida, TVC News, Maiduguri.